The Smith & Wesson SWA-24S is a tactical folding knife designed for the rigors of EDC carry. Perfect for constant use. The 3.1-inch serrated 7CR17 high-carbon stainless steel clip-point blade excels at slicing through just about any material. The black aluminum handle has strategically placed jimping and finger cutouts for a secure grip. Open the blade by way of the ambidextrous thumb knobs and the index flipper. This is the Smith & Wesson SWA-24S Extreme Ops Liner Lock Folding Knife, a quality tool designed for your most demanding needs.
Buck Knives is known for quality, American-made quality. Keeping up with this tradition is the 840 Sprint Select. Made with an ergonomically textured nylon handle and a 420HC stainless steel blade, this knife exudes a cool that you'll want to carry with you every day. Utilizing ball-bearing flipper technology, the action is fast and smooth as butter and locks securely with a liner lock. Added features like a contrasting color spacer and a removable deep carry pocket clip make this knife a true conversation starter. Just be careful not to loan it to a buddy, or you might not ever get it back. The 840 Sprint Select is available in 3 color combinations to suit your personal style: olive green with a yellow spacer, gray with blue spacer, and black with a red spacer. At only 3.2 ounces, it's so light you might just forget that it's in your pocket. Made in Post Falls, Idaho, guaranteed forever, the Buck Knives 840 Sprint Select.
The Paramilitary 2 distills the full-service cutting performance of Spyderco's iconic military model into a more compact, easy-to-carry package. Its full flat ground blade is crafted from CPM S30V stainless steel and is available in either a plain edge or fully serrated spider edge configuration. The blade's fully accessible trademark round hole allows swift one-handed opening with either hand, and a textured index finger choil allows a forward position grip during precise cutting chores. The Paramilitary 2's handle is built on a framework of skeletonized stainless steel liners that also provide the foundation of its patented compression lock mechanism. Stronger than a conventional liner lock, the compression lock also allows the knife to be safely and easily closed with only one hand. The handle's liners are nested within peel-ply textured G10 scales to create a slim, open-back construction that is lightweight and easy to clean. The handle also includes a 4-position pocket clip that supports ambidextrous tip-up or tip-down carry, and a large lined lanyard hole.